Hello, I'm Krista Lambert, Product Marketing Director at Oracle Construction and Engineering. And today I'll be discussing our solutions for delivery organizations and explain how accelerating automation is a pathway to accelerating profit. We know that profitability is driven by performance, and performance is found in consistent, repeatable processes, coordination for work to be done right the first time, and control to stay on track. It takes constant vigilance and tweaking across these areas to maintain performance, and the most successful companies are continually making incremental adjustments as they discover new ways to improve. But there are times when all that calculated fine-tuning gets thrown out the window. Unforeseen challenges that leave companies scrambling in order to keep moving forward, to find new ways to minimize disruption, to adjust to remote work and quick adoption of technology just to get the job done. The results are a mixed bag of positive and negative outcomes. With so much drastic change, now is the perfect opportunity to reset, to evaluate what's worked, where can we still improve, and what areas do we still need to tackle. It's hard to imagine, but the bar is even higher now on finding that competitive advantage. What's worked in the past might not be the answer for today. Continuous improvement is about making incremental changes for long-term success. One way to keep moving forward is to adopt the right technology. So we're spotlighting 3 areas of Oracle's Smart Construction Platform, where you can improve your consistency, coordination, and control today. First, we'll look at how ultimate collaboration results in a project where everybody, the owner, the delivery teams, and the project wins. Next, we'll take coordination up a notch with true field and office collaboration. And last, taming the chaos surrounding monthly payments with a solution that puts you in control. And now, here's Gordon Marks, Product Marketing Director for Oracle Aconex, to show how ultimate collaboration delivers consistency, coordination, and control for better project delivery.
Thanks, Krista. Let's face it, most project platforms are a collaboration fail, a massive fail. Every industry has its share of challenges, but construction in particular is a team sport of epic proportions, but one where teammates aren't predisposed to trusting one another. It requires a solution that truly promotes collaboration rather than discouraging it or making it impossible. Most platforms are single control, where one organization controls everything. This may create an illusion of collaboration, but it's certainly not real. When one organization is the gatekeeper, they effectively own and control all the project data and access to that data. These systems fail at trust. How can you trust something that you're not sure you'll have access to tomorrow? So information fails to move freely. As project organizations don't trust the system, they prefer not to use it. So adoption across a project is poor. As a result, project organizations maintain their own separate systems and data stores to keep their own version of the truth, resulting in multiple separate systems storing data across many different organizations. Maintaining version control of information and ensuring everyone has the right information to do their job becomes almost impossible. It also fails a platform owner gatekeeper by providing them a false sense of data completeness. In the end, collaboration suffers, resulting in mistakes, delays, and cost blowouts. Ultimate collaboration means truly connected teams, where each organization controls and owns their data. This is a unique data ownership and sharing model that is the foundation of the Aconex platform. This model drives trust in the system by all project organizations, and with trust comes adoption. Project organizations will use the system, and this drives collaboration and data sharing. With all project participants using the one platform, a complete and accurate project record is captured on the one system, a single source of project truth. This results in the most accurate and complete data set and also increases efficiency while reducing errors and risk. Most project systems are not true collaboration platforms where project organizations own and maintain their own project data and share with the rest of the project team. This unique data sharing model is a foundation of Aconex. Each and every project organization controls their own data, who they share it with and when. With organizations trusting and adopting the platform, information flows freely, which is the lifeblood of projects. With full adoption, everyone on the project has access to the same professional tools on the Aconex platform, making them all more efficient. By supporting the entire project community, the whole project benefits. Aconex is an easy way to accelerate automation across your teams. Single control platforms don't support the project and they lead to failure. Project teams use different redundant systems because they can't trust single control. Platform owners create a false sense of complete and accurate data. And for the entire project, inefficiency and errors lead to delays and cost overruns. But with ultimate collaboration, the Aconex model, the entire project, everybody wins. Project teams own and control their data. The owner has a complete project record for smooth transition to asset operations. And for the entire project, efficient collaboration ensures quality and adherence to budget and schedule. There are three key ways that Aconex eliminates barriers to collaboration and connects entire project teams. The first is the unique data ownership model. Each project organization owns their data, maximizing adoption and data sharing, creating a complete record on one platform. Second is a highly flexible process management engine, which provides complete control and visibility so the right people get the information they need to do their jobs. And thirdly, the unalterable audit trail, which tracks and captures every project decision, ensuring accountability and minimizing disputes. Consistency is a key goal, and the process efficiency of Oracle Aconex provides improved and more consistent results for clients and the efficiencies of cross-project standardization. With less training required, personnel can easily move from project to project. Burns & McDonnell adopted Oracle Aconex for project-wide collaboration across multiple global practices. They have cited Aconex as a key component of their strategic initiative to standardize project delivery worldwide, speeding their workflow request response times by over 60%. And for AECOM, ultimate collaboration improves submittal turnaround times by 50% because nothing was trapped behind someone's firewall, resulting in a 100% accurate audit trail with automated tracking and reporting of workflow processes. AECOM needed a secure solution to manage communication, workflows, and regulatory compliance across their multi-billion-dollar Boston Green Line extension joint venture. And now I'd like to introduce the next product spotlight that will help improve coordination between office and field teams. My colleague, Garrett Harley, Product Marketing Director for Primavera Cloud, will discuss the importance of synchronizing office and field schedules.
Thanks, Gordon. It's great to be here. And what I would love to share with the group today is a story that all of us in engineering and construction, no matter what we're building, will recognize. I like to call it the schedules are everywhere dilemma. Planning and scheduling is an iterative process. We start with a summary schedule that takes the scopes of work and we turn them into a network of interrelated activities. This network outlines the lanes of the road, helps us understand our resource constraints and demands, and lets us take aim at the contractual goalposts that we'll collectively cross. Iterative schedule development, using critical path method tools and techniques, is battle tested for the better part of half a century with trusted results. And software has helped accelerate automation by taking over the math of a lengthy analog process that digitally can now be run in milliseconds. But as the amount of information the software could support got bigger, so did the opportunities to overinflate these networks with greater and greater detail. So what happened next? Many field teams simply started to do their own thing. They detached from activity networks and created separate whole environments where they could detail and coordinate their own sequences of production. And this has been the story most would like us to accept as reality, that these groups simply do and need different things, and that there is little hope of bridging the divide between the two. Worse still is the seldom contested acknowledgement that these teams and information should stay this way, that it's just an integration problem and not a structural one. But here's the good news. The story that we deserve to be true, it is. And it comes with the acknowledgement that the structural problem is the right problem to solve. And yes, groups do need different things. So give them the tools that they need to work the way that they want. One planning and scheduling solution for all. In action, like all great solutions, it's about keeping things simple while adhering to the iterative nature of how projects are born, detailed, and executed. An appropriately detailed activity network to get further broken down by those that are closest to the work. Blended together in one solution for any type or size project right out of the box. This is the Oracle Primavera Cloud. And the stories of companies who are raising their planning and scheduling game by synchronizing schedules, accelerating automation, and connecting data and people like Dick Anderson Construction are just getting started. And now for our final spotlight, I'd like to introduce Lucy Trepanier, Product Marketing Director for Oracle Textura, to show how to take control of the monthly payment process.
Thanks, Garrett. Let's shine a light on payments. The well-being of your supply chain is fundamental to bringing profitable projects in on time, and a prompt payment process is a big part of that. In this case, accelerating automation is your path to accelerating payments and controlling the chaos. And you know how chaotic that monthly payment process can be with spreadsheets and emails. It's not automated and it's not simple. The labor-intensive invoicing and payment process is impossibly inefficient. The manual processes to manage legal and regulatory requirements and all that related paperwork adds risk. And as you finish one cycle, the next one starts right up. Delays in payments, or just lack of visibility into potential delays, can cause cash flow problems up and down the supply chain. Oracle Textura Payment Management solves these problems, delivering improved process efficiency, reduced risk, and greater visibility into the entire process. And here's how. First, the solution improves efficiency for all up and down the supply chain through the automation and standardization of the draw request and payment process. It eliminates double entry because subcontractors submit invoices electronically. Automation reduces human error through accurate contract schedule of values to speed approvals. You get more productivity, which means you can handle more invoices with the same headcount as you grow your business. You avoid rework that chews up so much time. You get paid faster. You can even make your clients happier since they won't have to spend time waiting on documents. Next, the solution reduces risk by managing documents mandated by compliance and regulatory requirements. And in the US, that includes lien waivers. Now, payments don't happen without documents, and Textura ensures you get it right, including managing insurance documents, safety reports, or weekly certified payroll. You can set payment holds or schedule prompt payment deadlines and milestones. You can track business classification and supplier diversity. And for our US customers, it of course facilitates the secure digital exchange of current unconditional e-signed lien waivers for ACH electronic payments. You get more peace of mind. You know the docs are where they should be and the payments are on time. Third, the solution increases visibility into the process so you can spot potential snags before they happen and ensures the entire supply chain is paid in a timely fashion. Everyone can log into the same collaborative, project-centric, cloud-based platform, no matter if it's your sub doing their pay app on their phone at a job site or your client 1,000 miles away. The ability for everyone to access a single version of the truth creates trust among all parties and burnishes your reputation for prompt payment. But it's not just about the technology. Oracle Textura gives you all the support you need so you don't have to worry about finding more resources, say for IT work, or when your business strategy evolves. Our client services become almost like an extension of your team. We handle the ERP integration and are always on hand to help with document customizations or training at no extra charge. Now, You should be asking me to prove this. And I could go into all the quantified benefits our customers have shared with us about how much they've accelerated every single part of the payment process. And you can read these stories and more on our website. But instead, I want to share an example of how we really support our customers. And we're committed to improving together. Turner Construction has, for many years, been steadfast in ensuring that they're providing fair and equitable opportunities by tracking spend with minority, women, disadvantaged, veteran, and LGBTQ+ businesses. And they had been managing their supplier classification reporting using their ERP system, but it couldn't be modified to meet Turner's many specific reporting requirements, resulting in offline processes. So they came to Oracle Textura as a trusted extension of their team. And as Chris says, we work together to understand their needs and improve the platform. So now they and every Textura customer can track supplier business classification and report on supplier diversity, much like they already track lien waiver information or insurance. Oracle Textura Payment Management is the cloud-based solution of choice for billing, payment, and compliance management, including lien waiver management in the US, plus analytics and reporting, integration to ERP applications, and unrivaled client services. A few stats here show how over the past, 17 years now, we've been helping our customers like you automate and accelerate payments. Back to you, Krista.
Thanks, Lucy. I appreciate you sharing how to stop the month-end payment chaos. We just saw 3 ways you can accelerate automation today that will help you deliver consistency, coordination, and control through ultimate collaboration where everybody wins, true office and field collaboration and coordination, and how to tame the chaos surrounding monthly payments. Let's face it, things rarely go exactly according to plan. Leveraging your historical data and knowing the likelihood of delays and cost overruns can help you predict the future and inform stakeholders to take action using forward-looking information. You can also use this valuable data to inform future plans, continuously improve the quality of the plan and the likelihood that things are going to go according to plan. It begins with data. Projects generate a ton of data. Often managing it is daunting, but you have to have the right tools and processes in place. Data can be the most valuable asset you have. Data informs our decisions, and connected data across schedule, cost, quality, and risk provides the breadth of information necessary to make better decisions consistently. It must be accessible, it must be comprehensive and meaningful. Oracle Construction Engineering Solutions capture a complete and connected data set. We're harnessing that data into the Construction Intelligence Cloud. The Construction Intelligence Cloud is pre-built intelligence for proactive decisions. Pre-built means that you don't have to create or maintain a solution. Oracle data scientists drew on our years of industry experience to build an analytics solution specifically to meet the needs of construction and engineering. Out-of-the-box connectors link Oracle Construction Engineering applications, providing a broad and deep data set to collect, analyze, and use the data. And the exponential power of this solution is putting predictive insights into the hands of all organizations, not just the big players with the resources to build their own solutions. Unlock your data and use it to gain insights into what might happen in the future. No one wants to have delays or cost overruns, but just think of the value of knowing there's likely a delay coming and why, so you can take appropriate actions versus not knowing until it's too late. So to wrap up, how do you accelerate automation and accelerate profits? You use Oracle's Smart Construction Platform to connect people, processes, and data, and the technology to empower teams to make informed decisions and to synchronize the project community so everyone is actively aware. Thank you for attending our session on delivery organizations today. Please attend our other power sessions to learn more about our solutions, and have a great day.